What's up, guys? Welcome to March Madness, this new series I got going on. We're gonna basically take the theme of basketball NCAA's March Madness bracket, but we're gonna apply it to the different franchises I cover on this channel. This is gonna be my first time doing this, so it might be kind of weird, but what I'm going to try and do is we're gonna match up two people every day, and then you guys will vote on who you think is the better character. Now, this is different from my other videos where usually we base this off of who has the better combative abilities, who is more likely to win a fight. So this is going to be based around your preference of character. First, we have Luke Skywalker versus Han Solo from our original trilogy bracket. Luke Skywalker, of course, the main protagonist from the original trilogy, the one who was able to redeem Darth Vader at the end of the franchise. Han Solo, everyone's favorite smuggler in both the original trilogy and the new trilogy, though we're observing the original trilogy Han Solo for this particular bracket. But it's really easy, just up in the top left corner, right corner, I think it's top right corner, you're gonna vote for either Luke or Han. Which one do you prefer as a character? But I would also like you to explain why they are your favorite character, why you prefer them over the other, and then what we'll do is that in the next episode I'll read off your responses, people who I think had some pretty good responses. I'll read them off in the comment section about, you know, why someone liked Luke or why they liked Han, and then of course who won, and then we're gonna move on to the next round, and we're gonna keep doing that until we have an ultimate winner. But that is it. Go ahead and vote for your favorite character right now. Luke versus Han. Go.